ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by liking the video, subscribing, commenting and watch a playlist or two. Using art as a gouache, we're going to be rolling batteries to create a pattern. And this is what it looks like when finished. So just using old dead batteries and some gouache and a sheet of paper, you can create a lovely patterned abstract painting or gift wrap. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.